Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Google Search Console, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you check the total clicks for your website in your Google Search Console? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to check the total clicks in Google Search Console anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe setting up different blogs and websites, you want to be sure to check the click traffic to see how your pages are performing. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Google Search Console. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. I've already logged into my Search Console, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to see the total clicks for your website property, first make sure you're working in the correct property by clicking up here. Once you've chosen the correct property, you want to click down here on Performance. Once you do that, click on Search Results. Okay, so once you do that, you're going to see a few different options here. So first off, you want to see how far back you want to go. So by default, you have 24 hours, 7 days, and 28 days. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and do the last 6 months and apply. Okay, so here in blue, you can see there have been 4 clicks on this website in the past 6 months. You can see the date that the clicks happened and how many clicks happened on that date. Now, if you don't want the impressions to show, you can just click right here and turn off the purple. And that way only in blue are the clicks for that time period. You can also turn on the average position and the total impressions and the click-through rate. Now, if we scroll down a little bit more, you're going to be able to see what the search terms were that ended up with a click. So it looks like somebody typed in best blender under $100 and we got a click there. Now, if you want to drill down the information even more and then see how your pages are performing with the clicks, you can click right here on Pages. All right, once you do that, it's going to break down the different impressions and click-through rate and positions for all of the pages on your website. And if you look right here, if we look at clicks, you can see there were 4 clicks driven, and then you can see the pages where the clicks ended up going. Now here on the pages, if you're checking the clicks, you can change the time period. So this is for 6 months. Let's go ahead and do the past 3 months. You can see it updates. So only these 2 pages got clicks in the past 3 months. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to check the total clicks on your website property using Google Search Console, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.